What's up, guys? It is Sunday and it's box break day. So this one has 5 autographs a box, 8 cards per pack, and 24 packs per box. So I'm not going to do math right now, but I know that is a lot. Panini Contenders 2015 draft picks. I am looking to pull that guy. That would be sweet. So let's rip into this bad boy. Al Horford, Ty Lawson. I love the colors of these. Pretty sweet. There's the backs. Here, base cards. Nikola Vukovic. Michael Carter Williams, Syracuse. School colors, Anthony Brown. Larry Nance Jr., Wyoming Cowboys. Joel Embiid, Kansas. And Doug McDermott, old school colors. All right, Roy Hibbert for Georgetown. Kemba Walker for UConn. Marcus Morris. Klay Thompson, there we go. WSU, baby, hometown. Pullman, it's like 40 minutes away, but still, it's pretty close. All right, school colors, Josh Richardson, Tennessee. Stanley Johnson for Arizona. Arizona again, Andre Iguodala. And Trey Burke for Michigan. All right, Julius Randle, Chandler Parsons, Florida. There's another Andre Iguodala, Arizona. Kyrie Irving, old school colors, Duke. Paul George, old school colors. Bobby Portis, school colors, Arkansas. Christian Wood, UNLV. All right, there's our first auto. Bobby Portis for the Arkansas Razorbacks. Awesome, 15 out of 99. That has got a nice shine to it. Very cool. All right, Drew Holiday, Joe Johnson, Arkansas. Lots of Arkansas. Kevin Love, UCLA. I think we pulled another autograph too, so. Steph Curry, old school colors, Davidson. I very much disliked him when he played for Davidson because he beat Gonzaga in one of the key games. All right, Bradley Beal for the Florida Gators. Oliver Hanlon, Boston College. Rashad Vaughn. Ty Lawson, draft ticket. This is not an auto. It is numbered though. 97 of 99. Shiny, shiny. Cool, so that's one of the draft ticket inserts. Michigan, Jamal Crawford. Kentavious Caldwell Pope for Georgia. Chris Paul, Wake Forest. Game Day, Tyus Jones for Duke. Not numbered or anything, just a cool card. Michael Frazier II for Florida. Justice Winslow for Duke. Old school color inserts, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Kentucky. And of course, Kevin Love for UCLA. Gordon Hayward for Butler. Doug McDermott, Creighton. There's the brow, Anthony Davis for Kentucky. Collegiate Connections insert, Chris Paul and Tim Duncan for Wake Forest. All right, Jaleel Okafor, Duke. Dakari Johnson, Kentucky. There's your old school color inserts, Jimmy Butler, Marquette. And Derrick Rose for Memphis. Darren Collison, UCLA. Bradley Beal for Florida. Zach LaVine, UCLA. Tim Hardaway Jr., Michigan. There's Chris McCullough, Syracuse. Andrew Harrison, Kentucky. Melo, Syracuse. And Jimmer Fredette for Brigham Young. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. John Wall. Vince Carter. There we go. Another collegiate connections. Jahlil Okafor and Justice Winslow for Duke. RJ Hunter for Georgia State. Miles Turner, Texas Longhorns. And old school color inserts, Zach LaVine and Paul Pierce. All right, Jimmer Fredette. Hassan Whiteside, Marshall. Tayshaun Prince, Kentucky. Kansas, Paul Pierce. Brandon Dawson, Michigan State. There's an Oregon, Joe Young. Old school colors, Marcus Smart, Oregon State Oklahoma State. That always reminds me of the Beavers. And Kawhi Leonard, San Diego State. Joel Embiid, there's a Kansas kid. Victor Oladipo. Steph Curry, Davidson. Game Day, Aaron White. Kentucky, Willie Cauley-Stein, school colors. Another Kentucky, Trey Lyles. Another Kentucky, old school colors, Julius Randle. And Hassan Whiteside from Marshall. All right, there's Dwayne Wade, Marquette. Texas A&M, DeAndre Jordan. Mike Dunleavy, Duke. Nerlens Noel, class reunion. Frank Kaminsky, Wisconsin Badgers. Cliff Alexander, Kansas. Jabari Parker, Duke, old school colors. And DeMar DeRozan, old school colors, Trojans. All right, James Harden, Arizona State. Paul Millsap, Louisiana Tech. Mike Conley, Ohio State. And then Arkansas, Collegiate Connections, Bobby Portis and Michael Qualls. School colors, Teron Petaway, Nebraska. Sam Decker, Wisconsin Badgers. Dame Lillard, Weber State. And Andrew Wiggins, Kansas. Right. Harrison Barnes, Marcus Smart, Oklahoma State. Ben Gordon, UConn. Looks like one of our autos. Christian Wood. 15 out of 15. That's pretty sweet. UNLV. Very cool. All right. Quinn Cook, Duke. Michael Qualls, Arkansas. Tim Duncan, Wake Forest. And Nerlens Noel, Kentucky. All right. Carlos Boozer, Al-Farouq Aminu, Wake Forest. Markieff Morris, Kansas. Kentucky, Aaron Harrison, Game Day insert. Brandon Ashley, Arizona. Aaron Harrison again, Kentucky. Another Kentucky, Anthony Davis. And old school colors, Butler, Gordon Hayward. Tyler Hansbrough, North Carolina. Kyle Korver. What is that? Oh, Cretan. Jabari Brown. And I believe that is another auto, so we'll flip it. Nikola Vucevic, Trojans. Shabazz Napier, UConn. Kelly Oubre Jr., Kansas. And Montrezl Harrell, Louisville. And there is our auto, 43 out of 99 LSU, Jordan Mickey. Awesome. So that's 3 autographs. We're looking for 2 more. There's Russell Westbrook, UCLA. Noah Vonleh, Indiana. Eric Bledsoe, Kentucky. DeMarcus Cousins, Kentucky. There's that Jordan Mickey, LSU. Devin Booker, Kentucky. Old School Colors, Chris Bosh, Georgia Tech. Old School Colors, Indiana, Victor Oladipo. Alright, Draymond Green for Michigan State. And another Michigan State, Zach Randolph. Trevor Arizo, UCLA. Klay Thompson, class reunion, WSU. Karl Anthony Towns, Kentucky. Jarrell Martin, LSU. There's another Klay, Washington State, baby. And John Wall, Kentucky. All right, David Lee, Florida. So my camera decided to die on me, so this is the phone. So we'll see how well that does. So my last card that I left off was a David Lee from Florida. All right, Brooke Lopez, Stanford. Rodney Hood, Duke. Andrew Harrison, Game Day, Kentucky. DeLon Wright, Utah. Aaron White, Iowa. Dwayne Wade, Marquette. And Chris Paul, Wake Forest. All right, JJ Redick, Duke. Wesley Matthews, Marquette. Tim Duncan, Wake Forest. There's a Russell Westbrook class reunion, nice, UCLA. Robert Upshaw, Huskies. Rakeem Christmas, Syracuse. Joe Johnson, Old School Colors, Arkansas. And Aaron Gordon, Arizona, Old School Colors. Alfred Payton. DeMar DeRozan. Rajon Rondo, Kentucky. Murray State, Cameron Payne. Norman Powell, UCLA. Another UCLA, Kevin Looney. Another UCLA, there's Westbrook again. And Syracuse, Michael Carter Williams. All right, there's Carmelo Anthony, Syracuse. Mo Williams, Alabama. Mason Plumlee, Duke. James Harden, look at how young, there's no beard. Kevin Durant, cool. Texas. JP Tokoto. Justin Anderson, Virginia. And there is another auto. So this is also out of 99. Kia Stokes for UConn. Wow. All right, Andre Drummond, UConn. Tyreek Evans. Kyrie Irving, Duke. Aaron Aflalo, UCLA. Ohio State, D'Angelo Russell. Cameron Payne, Murray State. DeMarcus Cousins for Kentucky. Blake Griffin for Oklahoma. There's Shabazz Napier, UConn. Gary Harris, Michigan State. Deron Williams, Illinois. There's another Deron Williams. Harrison Barnes, North Carolina. Hey, there we go. EWU, Tyler Harvey. That is about 20 minutes from my house, Eastern Washington University in Cheney, Washington. Alan Williams, UC Santa Barbara. And this is, oh, very cool. EWU guy. That is our 5th auto, Tyler Harvey. Way cool. That is super local. All right, and this is the last pack. Paul George. Channing Frye for Arizona. Andrew Bogut, Utah. Game Day, DeLon Wright, Utah. Rondé Hollis Jefferson for Arizona. Rashawn Holmes for Bowling Green. And the Old School Color inserts, Noah Vonleh for Indiana. And DeAndre Jordan for Texas A&M. Very cool. So we did get 5 autos. I'll go through them real quick. Tyler Harvey from Eastern Washington University, not numbered. UConn, Kia Stokes out of 99, 61 out of 99. LSU, Jordan Mickey, 43 out of 99. Christian Wood, 15 out of 15 for UNLV. Ty Lawson, 97 out of 99. Not an auto, this is just an insert. And 5th auto, 15 out of 99, Bobby Portis for Arkansas. So that about sums it up. Thanks for sticking with me for the whole video. That was a lot of cards. All right, see you guys later.